Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol LCID for Lucid Group. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update. We talk about the stock regularly on the channel. I would start to point out that the hammer candle that printed on Friday is producing a little bit of a bounce, but please don't get overly aggressive to the upside in Lucid. We are still in a nasty move to the downside overall from the daily time frame. Now, yes, if you are looking to be a long-term buy and hold type investor, maybe it makes some sense to take a quarter of a position here around the 200 SMA. We have the hammer candle. You can place a stop here. Maybe it starts to work its way higher over time, but there's certainly no indication yet that this is a massive reversal underway. It's not like there's a structural bottom in place with a higher low, taking out the high. It's just not there yet. It's very, very early, okay? So that's all I would say from the daily time frame. We did get that follow through. Again, a close over the 200 SMA now. Let's take a closer look at the 30-minute time frame just to see what else we can learn here. So pretty much sideways action, which is kind of, I don't want to say concerning in like an overly bearish way, but the broad marketplace today was ripping to the upside. And to see Lucid really just going sideways, it doesn't really inspire too much confidence. Even Tesla, right, was really ripping to the upside today. So again, just sideways action here strikes me as being relatively neutral to slightly weak in the face of a strong broad market. That's all I'm getting at. It's going to be a clear breakout up and over today's highs around 29.43 to continue this move to our next daily, or not really daily, but dead cat bounce high from in here on Thursday, right? That's at 30.85. After that, we know 33.13 is really the important one, 33 roughly, from this last line in the sand. It was the last line of defense. When that broke, boy, oh boy, was that a nasty day, right? You can see that right up in here, two hammer candles, breaks it, and just goes, flushing right down the toilet. So to me, that's really the important one to be watching out for inside of Lucid, up there at 33 if this rally is going to sustain itself for a little while longer. If we can't get up and over 33, we have nothing more than from the daily time frame a lower high, and I would expect a larger H pattern to sort of unfold, taking a breakdown here, looking for continuation to the downside. We're speaking fairly speculative right now, but Lucid is kind of in the territory where, okay, it's probably too oversold to feel comfortable about shorting it down here at the lows, so I would wait for a short opportunity if that's how you're leaning, closer to 33, and I would wait for more confirmation to the long side as well, really looking at scalps only up and over 29.50 to get into these intermediate targets one at a time, probably taking off half position here and then, another quarter position here, monitor for continuation to see if we can poke up and over 33 inside of Lucid over the remainder of the week. That's all I've got for you today. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.